Hi, Nick Perdomo from Perdomo Cigars here in Esteli, Nicaragua at Perdomo Cigars, at one of our bourbon barrel aging centers that we have here. First thing I'd like to talk about is something that's extremely special to me. It's the Perdomo 12-year double aged vintage. The reason we call it double aged is because every filler in the blend, every binder, and every wrapper has been aged for 10 years in its bales, and then additionally bourbon barrel aged for 2 more years. There's no cigar in the world like it. Very limited production, and what makes this cigar so unique is not only the 10 years of bale aging, which is literally unheard of, but also the additional 2 years of bourbon barrel aging with the fillers, binders, and wrappers. And what that does is it caramelizes all the fillers in the blends, the binders in the blends, and the wrappers in the blends. And what it does is it gives it a nice richness. You bring all the sugars up from all the different fillers, whether it be secos, visos, ligeros, accents the flavors of the binders, and of course makes these wrappers just look exquisite. If you look at this Connecticut seed wrapper, you can see the beautiful golden color that looks almost like honey, like a butterscotch. It's got a deeper hue of colors, and you can see it matches with this box perfectly. If you look at the top of the box, you see it has my signature and certifies these tobaccos were 12 years old. If you look to your right, you'll see the Maduros, you'll see the nice dark chocolate color of these wrappers. They impart a tremendous amount of sweetness and dark coffee flavors, unlike the Connecticut, which is going to impart more of a creamy, almondy type finish, which I love also. But if you look at the oils and the beautiful colors of these Maduro wrappers and the stretch, this has a lot to do with not only the great amount of aging, but also the great amount of time that we put in these bourbon barrels. And last but not least is one of my favorites. It's a 12-year double-aged vintage sun-grown, which I'm smoking right now. And if you look at the box, you'll see these beautiful reddish-brown wrappers. And you can see that these wrappers are oily and they match the exact color of the cigars that you see in this particular box, just like all of them here. It's just such a unique cigar. I absolutely love it. It's just got a flavor characteristic that's just so unique because our team did such a fine job, not only with the proper blending of this cigar and aging this cigar, but just the taste is just incredible. And I attribute quite a bit of it not only to the long amount of aging it has, but my love of single malt scotches and bourbons were really the main reason we did it. And the reason we did it also was just so we could have a cigar that could be 12 years old, just like the finest single malt scotches always once were when they first started. So this is Nick Perdomo. I highly recommend the Perdomo 12-year double-aged vintage. I know you're going to love it. I certainly do, and I hope you enjoyed this video.